Assalamu alaikum everyone. Safe here and a new video with Arabic with Safe. First of all, you should know that every word in Arabic, one of three parts of speech, ism, fi'al, and harf. Ism means noun. Fi'al is verb. And harf is preposition. Today, we're going to talk about the noun. In Arabic, means ism. The word ism means name, but in grammar means noun. The noun in Arabic divided into three things: state, gender, and number. Let's start with state. The state of noun is one of two, definite or indefinite. The definite is used to indicate that the identity of the noun is known to the reader. But the indefinite is used to show that the noun is general or when its identity is unknown. Example, when I say in English, a book, I use letter A as an indefinite article because this book noun is unknown. But if we say the book, here the definite article the is used to identify that the noun is known to the reader, the book. But in Arabic is a little bit different. All nouns in Arabic by default are indefinite. Same in the word rajul means a man, indefinite. And to make any noun definite in Arabic, there are three conditions. First condition, the noun to be unique as names of people or places, such as Muhammad, it's a name, a definite noun because it's a person name, or Egypt, it's a definite noun because it's a place name. Second, to add al means the to the beginning of the word, such as the word a paper means waraqa, a paper. If we add al, it will be al-waraqa or the paper. So we changed it from indefinite to definite noun by adding al or the. The last way by using the construct noun. In Arabic, mudaf ilayh, construct noun. Simply by adding indefinite noun to definite noun. So the two nouns will become related to each other. Let's take example. The word nadhara. Nadhara means eyeglasses. It's indefinite name. Eyeglasses, nadhara. But if we add a name of a person, such as Hassan, for example, so it will be nadharatu Hassan. Nadharatu Hassan. Hassan is definite. So the first word, nadhara, it will change to be definite as well. In the advanced levels, we will go in details for definite and indefinite nouns, inshallah. Today, we have studied the state of noun, which is definite and indefinite. And in the next lesson, we will continue with the gender and number, inshallah. Okay, here we have reached to the end of this lesson. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, stay ready and confident. All right, get you guys next lesson. Salam.